Hi, this is Vijay from Microtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about Azure Data Security at Rest. Let's get started. What is encryption? Encryption is about converting meaningful information into something that appears meaningless, such as random sequence of letters and numbers. The process of encryption uses some form of keys as part of algorithm that creates the encrypted data. A key is also needed to perform the decryption, and there are different kind of algorithm available in market to perform encryption and decryption, which we are gonna see next. Types of encryption. There are two types of encryption. One is symmetric encryption and another one is asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryptions are those where the algorithm that uses symmetric keys such as Advanced Encryption Standard AES are typically faster than public key algorithms and are often used for protecting large data stores. Because there is only one key involved, procedures must be in place to prevent the key from becoming publicly known. With asymmetric algorithms, only the private key member of the pair must be kept private and secure. As its name suggests, the public key can be made available to anyone without compromising the encrypted data. The downside of public key encryption algorithms is much slower than the symmetric algorithm because and hence you will not be able to use it for large amount of data. Why do you need to encrypt disks? First point is to prevent access of your data from unauthorized applications or users or devices, and second point is for compliance and regulatory reasons. The third important reason is if you're not encrypting your disk, if someone is able to download your VGST, they can mount it to any laptop or any machines, and then they can actually will have full access to your application or your data. So in case of operating system disk, by default the operating system will have password protected, so in that way it's kind of you will have less risk there. And when it comes to data disk, even though your application encrypts the data, there are always potential vulnerability when you are not encrypting the data disk. So it's always recommended to encrypt the data disk. The main encryption based disk protection technologies of Azure virtual machines are storage service encryption and Azure disk encryption. So let's take a look into storage service encryption now. Azure Storage Service Encryption is an encryption service built into Azure used to protect data at rest. The Azure Storage Platform automatically encrypts data before it's stored to several storage services including Azure Managed Disks. Encryption is enabled by default using 256-bit AES encryption, and it is managed by Storage Account Administrator. The storage service encryption is enabled for all the new and existing storage accounts and cannot be disabled. Your data is secured by default. You don't need to modify your code or application to take advantage of storage service encryption, and storage service encryption is not going to cause any performance degradation at all. Now let's take a look into Azure Disk Encryption. Azure Disk Encryption, also known as ADE, is managed by virtual machine owner. It controls the encryption of Windows using BitLocker and Linux using dmcrypt. The BitLocker encryption is a data protection feature that integrates with operating system and addresses the threat of data theft or exposure from storage stolen or inappropriately decommissioned computers. Similarly, dmcrypt encrypts data at rest for Linux before writing it to the storage. ADE ensures all data in the VM disk are encrypted by REST in Azure Storage, and ADE is required for VMs backed up to Azure Recovery Vault services. Azure Data Encryption is always recommended to be used, even though it has some sort of impact in CPU cycles. Let's say you have a CPU intensive application. There may be a case for leaving the OS disk unencrypted to maximize performance. In those situations, you can store application data on a separate encrypted data disk getting your performance you need without compromising security. These technology SSE and ADE encrypts data at different layers and for use for different purposes, and both uses AES 256-bit encryption, and we always recommend you to use both the encryption to secure your infrastructure.